Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I hope to make dynamite shrimp. This shrimp dynamite too much famous in the world. Today I hope to make that one. First I will show you how to make this sauce. This dynamite sauce very important. Lot of people making this sauce. Very important which kind of sauce we using. That is the one good for the shrimp. I want to inform you something about some sauce. Before you saw I make my teriyaki sauce. Now I am working Middle East country. We cannot use alcohol. That's why I remove sake from this sauce. When I making teriyaki sauce, marine and sake very important. Some sauce when I making, I have to check how is my ingredients. That's why I had to remove that one. Today I use these ingredients for my sauce. Teriyaki sauce 135 gram, tonkatsu sauce 75 gram, and sriracha 10 gram, sugar 15 gram, and chili powder 5 gram, black sesame seeds 1 spoon, and 30 gram Japanese mayonnaise, and Hellman mayo 400 gram. This when you using for these ingredients very important which kind brand for use this one. I use this Hellman classic mayo for this, and this tonkatsu sauce and Kewpie mayo. Very important this classic mayo for this order. Let's see how to make. We should mix well this one because we use sugar. That's why we have to mix well. You can see how is this dynamite sauce. Already ready my dynamite sauce. Now I will make shrimp. I will deep fry this one. First I will show you what is the ingredients for this. I got shrimp 100 gram and tempura batter I use. This batter I make ready-made powder. I use tempura powder. Better this tempura powder we use for this because more crispy. This dynamite shrimp very very important is crispy. This my recipe. I use tempura powder 500 gram and 750 milliliter water, and I coat this one with tempura. It's like a tempura shrimp. I make this one. We coat with flour and we deep fry with tempura batter. Let's see how to make. First I coat this one with flour. Then I use tempura batter. Now I will fry. This should be oil 175. This one should be hot. Three minutes we should fry this one. Now already fry this one. I will get out. Already everything ready. Now need to mix and serve. I will show you how to serve this. This is my dynamite shrimp. Good this one now because more crispy. I use 3 spoon sauce. This one you should coat nicely. Then now I add spring onion for garnish. Now you can see how I prepare this one. Today I show you how to make dynamite shrimp. I hope to make more videos for you. Especially next video I hope to make sushi order also. Hope more videos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching.